If you come to the exercise files folder and you open it up, you'll see that it's broken down by chapter. And if you go into each of these, you'll see that some of them actually have some what are called fig files. Some have some of those fig files. Some have images. Some have nothing. The ones that are meant to be blank are left blank for a reason because we don't have anything in there. Now, if you are jumping in to different chapters out here and you come into one section like 3, and if we're in the third video in that lesson, you'll probably want to jump in and open up 0303 Start. Now, in each one of the videos, I'll actually show you which one of these fig files, these are for Figma, to open up. Now, to open one up, I want to show you how to do that. In your browser, after you've logged into Figma, figma.com, if you have a file open, you want to come back to the files in the upper left corner here. You can do it a couple different ways, but this way what you can do is you can come up here and you can choose what's called import the file. So if you click on that, go to your exercise files folder, open up whichever one that it shows in the video to open. For instance, exercise files 06 Collaborate, 0602. Open up that Fig file, which stands for Figma, and it should import the file for you. Then you can start working from that point on. If you follow along the whole course, you don't have to open up really almost any of these. Maybe once in a while I'll tell you to open one up that's a special Fig file, but this is in case you want to jump in at some point and start with one of the files that I've got.